students, welcome to Math Club. I am Sabha and today I will teach you how to convert radians into degrees, minutes and seconds, and how to convert degrees into radians, and how to convert degrees, minutes and seconds into radians. So come to the board. Okay students, I have a question here. The question is in the form of radians and I need to convert that question into degrees. So first of all, I am writing the formula, which is 1 radians is equal to 180 over pi. So this is the formula to convert any radian value into degrees. Now I am simply putting this formula here, like 3 pi over 6 multiplied by 180 over pi. The pi is cancelling each other and the 6 is also cancelling 180. 6 ones are 6 and 6 30s are 180. Now I have the remaining value 3 multiplied by 30. I am simply multiplying the both values and I get 90 degree. So the answer is 90 degree. But if you have any value left with points, here you can see I have only values in degrees. I don't have any values or any degree values in points. If you have your answer in points, then you need to convert that point values, that decimal values, into minutes and seconds. In this question, we do not need to convert into minutes and seconds. Okay students, now I have another question here, and the question is also in radians and I need to convert into degrees. To convert into degrees, I am writing the formula here. 1 radians is equal to 180 over pi degrees. Okay, I am just simply multiplying the value with pi over 7 with 180 over pi. The pi are cancelling each other, so I have the value 180 over 7 degrees. Now I am dividing 180 by 7. 180 divided by 7 and the answer is 25.7142. 25.7142. Now students, you can see our answer is in decimal form. Whenever you have your answer in decimal form, then you need to convert that answer into minutes and seconds. To convert that value into minutes, I will not convert this value into minutes because this is the answer of degrees. This is the answer in degrees. And this value I need to convert into minutes. So I am just separating these two values like 25 and 0.7142. Okay. To convert this value into minutes, I am using formula here, which is 1 degrees is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, now I am simply multiplying 0.7142 into 60 and I will get 42.852. Now student, you can see the answer is in still decimal. So I have the value with minutes. The value of with minutes is 42 and the other value I need to convert into degrees because my answer is still coming into, sorry, the other value I need to convert into seconds because you can see my answer is still in decimals. So to convert into decimals, I need to multiply, as I know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So I am just separating 0.852 from 42, then 0.852 multiplied by 60. What I will get? I will get 51.12. Now this value is in seconds. Now students, what is the answer of this question? The answer of this question is 25 degrees 42 minutes and 51 seconds. So this is the way you can convert your values into minutes and degrees. Whenever you have any question in radians, and then you will convert like this. As I have solved the question, you can convert into degrees, minutes and seconds. Now students, I have another question and I need to convert into degrees. I am just writing the formula. 1 radians is equal to 180 over pi. I am just simply multiplying 5 pi over, I'm just simply multiplying 5 pi multiplied by 180 over pi. The pi's are cancelling each other, and what will I get? I have 5 multiplied by 180. I am simply multiplying 5 multiplied by 180 and the answer is 900 degrees centigrade. And here the answer is only in degrees. I don't have any value and I did not get any value here in decimals. So I don't need to convert this question into minutes and seconds. So students, you can see I have a value here and the value is in degrees, and I need to convert that value into radians. To convert that value into radians, I am just simply writing the formula, which is 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians. Okay, what I will do, I am simply multiplying 45 with pi over 180. The 45 cancel the 180. The 45 is cancelling the 180. Then the answer is pi over 9. So this is the answer of that question. Whenever you have any value in degrees and you need to convert into radians. Okay students, I have a question here. The question is in degrees, minutes and seconds, and I need to convert this question into radians. Okay, to convert this question into radians, first of all, I'm going to convert minutes and seconds into degrees. So I'm just simply adding 57 plus 12 plus 34. Okay, to convert minutes into degrees, I'm just dividing this value with 60. To convert seconds into degrees, I'm dividing this value with 3600. So I'm using the calculator. 57 plus 12 over 57 plus 12 divided by 60 plus 34 divided by 3600, and the answer is 57.2094. 57.2094. This is not the answer in radians. This is the value I have converted minutes and seconds into radians. Now I am going to convert this value into radians. To convert this value into radians, I am writing the formula here, which is 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians. I am simply multiplying this value with pi over 180. So what will I get? I am just using calculator. Pi over 180. I multiply 57.2094 into pi over 180. Then the answer is 0.9984. The answer is 0.9984. 0.84, which is approximately equal to 1 degrees. Sorry, not 1 degree, 1 radian, which is approximately equal to 1 radians. So our answer is 1 radian. Okay students, I have another question here, and you can see this question is a negative value, and I need to convert this question into radians. To convert this, first of all, I am going to convert the minutes into degrees and the seconds into degrees. So I am just separating minus sign. So 26 plus 39 over 60, because I am converting minutes into degrees, that's why I am dividing it with 60, and 50 divided by 3600. So for this purpose I am using the calculator. 26 plus 39 divided by 60 plus 50 divided by 3600, and the answer is 26.6638 minus 26.6638, but this value is in degrees, not in radians. To convert into radians, I am using the formula, which is 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians. So I am just simply multiplying this value, pi over 180. So what will I get? Pi, multiplying it with pi over 180, and the value is 0.4653 minus 0.4653. So 0.4653 minus 0.4653, and it is the value of in radians. Okay students, I have another question here, and I need to convert that question into decimal degrees and up to 3 decimal places. So I'm just writing the question here. 126 degree, 12 minutes and 27 seconds. Okay, to convert that minutes into seconds, I need to multiply it with 1 hour 60, and to convert seconds into degrees, I need to multiply it with 1 hour 3600. Okay, now I am using the calculator. 126 plus 12 over 60 plus 27 over 3600, and the answer is 126.2075. 126.207. As I need to give the answer in 3 decimal places, so the answer is 126.207 degrees, not in radians, because this is the value in degrees and I need to convert this value into degrees. So students, I hope you find this video very helpful for you. So if you have any question related to this topic or any other topic, you can comment down below, or you can contact me through my email address. I am mentioning my email address in the description box below, or you can also message me on Instagram. My Instagram is here. Or if you want to learn any other topic, you can also tell me about that topic, that you want to learn that topic. So if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel to learn more maths and stats related videos. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye.